Master Java Development, a step-by-step guide for aspiring programmers. Step 1. Java is crucial in programming. Mastering it can elevate your development skills significantly. Step 2. Begin with the basics. Grasp Java syntax to lay a solid foundation for advanced learning. Step 3. Dive into object-oriented programming to unlock Java's true power and versatility. Step 4. Enhance your skills through coding exercises and projects to gain practical experience. Step 5. Explore popular Java frameworks to expand your toolkit and improve your efficiency. Stay updated with Java trends and keep learning. Subscribe for more insightful content.